Hello and welcome to another quick tutorial from Premier EPOS. Today I'm going to show you how to import a replen order from a CSV sheet. So what do I mean by that? So we'll log ourselves in, go to stock and go to replenish stock. Okay, so basically I've got a CSV sheet with a load of details of items that I want to basically import into my replen system so I can add them into stock. So I do create a new order. And we'll select that one, go to blank, go to accept. So that's a nice blank one we need to actually put the information into. So we can go to import and export. This is the section right here. Firstly, you need to make an actual template effectively. So which basically maps out the columns of the CSV. So what we need to do, we want to click on new template and we'll give it a name. We'll just call this one test 2. And then now we select the actual template like so, and now we want to edit it. So we click on edit, and now what we're going to do, we need to add in the actual columns and map them out. So obviously item name will be definitely one of them, unit quantity, product barcode, and supplier code. Obviously it needs at least one of these two as a unique identifier to the system so it knows what that product is on your system. So once you've obviously got it all mapped out on the CSV itself, obviously it's all mapped out the same way. So that's obviously column 1, column 2, column 3 and column 4. Okay, so we'll give that a quick close. So actually on the CSV itself, so there's my CSV right there. Obviously because CSV can mess around with barcodes a lot. So if you format those cells, go to number, and there you have it, so your barcodes are corrected now. So there you go, I've got the list of all the items, I've got the supplier code, I've got the barcode, and I've got all the unit quantities in this case for those products. So I want to be able to pull this information and put it straight onto my replen system. So once I'm happy with all that, we can save that, close that down. Pardon me. Okay, now we go to the template itself. I've already pre-populated this one. So what we can do now, we can now import the items into the selected order. So we select on here, go for supplier import. Okay. Okay, there we go. And there you have it. So there's all those items straight into there. All my unit quantities are in there. Obviously my supplier codes, barcodes, and all the prices and what have you, because obviously they're already linked up in my system already. And it's as simple as that. So that's literally how you do an import. Obviously you can do the same thing as well. You can also do an export as well. So you can export the items as well out into a CSV as well. So if you've got another system that requires this information, you can pull it out and then upload it to a completely different system if you're using one. And there you have it. I do hope that's been useful. Any queries and anything like that, you know who to call. Just call support. I'll check it out next time. Take care. Bye now.